What's up, Guild members? Welcome back to Anime Tayo for episode 11 of Anime News Blast. The first full week of 2026 is behind us, and the anime world is already in full swing with major premieres, surprise sequels, and a huge industry event reveal. This is your complete news roundup for January 4th through the 9th. Let's get into it. We start with the week's biggest premieres, and they don't get much bigger than this. Jujutsu Kaisen Season 3 is officially here. Following its explosive 2-episode special premiere, MAPPA released a stunning new key visual on January 9th, and the day before, fans got the full treat with the release of the creditless opening animation, featuring the new theme, Aizo by King Gnu. The highly anticipated return to the depths is also imminent. On January 8th, Hell's Paradise Season 2 dropped its intense third trailer, building hype for its premiere this Saturday, January 11th. And the journey continues next week. Frieren, Beyond Journey's End, Season 2 released a beautiful countdown illustration with its grand return scheduled for January 16th. Beyond the immediate premieres, several sequels were confirmed for later this year and beyond. The Mob is back. On January 5th, trapped in a dating sim, the world of Otome games is tough for mobs. Season 2 dropped a teaser visual scheduled for 2026. In sweet news from January 4th, The Angel Next Door Spoils Me Rotten, Season 2 unveiled a key visual for its April 3rd premiere. Also, on the 4th, fans of The Shadowy Healer got great news with the announcement of The Brilliant Healer's New Life in the Shadows Season 2. And for moviegoers, A Beloved Witch is returning. A sequel anime film for Wandering Witch, The Journey of Elena, was announced on January 4th. This week also brought news of several brand new stories coming to the screen. A particularly striking title headlines this list. On January 7th, the anime adaptation of The Person I Loved Asked Me to Die in My Sister's Stead was announced. From January 4th, we have 2 new isekai-style adventures on the way. I lost my adventurer's license, but it's fine because I have an adorable daughter now, and I became a legend after my 10-year-long last stand, the latter getting a teaser trailer for an April 2026 premiere. Also on the 4th, a new romantic series, Love Unseen Beneath the Clear Night Sky, revealed a teaser and visual for a July 2026 premiere. Let's run through the other major trailers and updates from the past week. For new shows airing right now, The Casebook of Arne from Silver Link revealed a second key visual and trailer. Shibo Yugi released its main trailer. Journal with Witch shared its beautiful opening and ending animations on YouTube, and Tune In to the Midnight Heart added voice actors Yuki Wakai and Nao Toyama to its cast. For future releases, Draw This, Bandai revealed artboards for a July 2026 premiere. The Netflix film Cosmic Princess Kaguya dropped a new visual and trailer for its January 22nd debut. Fist of the North Star from TMS Entertainment released a powerful new key visual for its 2026 reboot, and the Dangers in My Heart compilation movie released new character stills. Now for some important updates from the industry side. On the streaming front, Crunchyroll added several titles for winter 2026 on January 7th. Also, all 10 episodes of Monster Strike Dead vs. Reloaded are now streaming on Amazon Prime Video with English subs. In awards news, the 53rd Annie Awards nominees were announced on January 8th, with anime like Dan Da Dan and Chainsaw Man the movie, Rize Arc making the list. And for physical media fans, Discotek Media announced new Blu-ray releases for several classic Lupin the Third specials and Voltes V. Finally, a major piece of industry news. The details for Anime Japan 2026 have been unveiled. The event will be held at Tokyo Big Sight from March 28th to 31st, featuring over 120 exhibitors. A special Anime Japan Kickoff 2026 broadcast narrated by Yuki Kaji and Saori Hayami will air on January 16th to announce the stage lineup. Also, voting for the Manga We Want to See animated ranking 2026 has begun, and that wraps up a massive first week of anime news for 2026. From the return of Jujutsu Kaisen and Hell's Paradise to exciting new adaptations and the roadmap to Anime Japan, it's going to be a thrilling year. What has you most excited? The new Jujutsu Kaisen season, the mysterious new adaptation, the person I loved, or planning for Anime Japan? Let me know in the comments. If you want to stay on top of every announcement as we charge through January, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for instant notifications. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Anime Tayo, signing off.